Hello students, welcome to this platform of e-learning. Here I will teach you part 2 of the prose, two stories about flying, which is titled Black Aeroplane, written by Frederick Forsyth. This story is written in the genre of mystery. Frederick Forsyth is an English author and journalist. He was born on 25th August 1938. He is best known for thrillers. By 2006, he had sold more than 70 million books in more than 30 languages. Since the author handled easy and simple language usage throughout the story, we don't have many vocabulary to focus except Dakota aeroplane. Dakota is a military transport aircraft. It was used extensively during the World War II and remained in frontline services with various military operators for many years. Now I'll give you the explanation of the story. The author says that he was flying an aeroplane at 1 o'clock at night. The moon was coming up in the east behind him. Stars were shining in the clear sky above him. He was flying his old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. He was dreaming of his holiday and looking forward to be with his family. He decided to call Paris Control and told that he was on his way to England. He duly turned to that direction. Paris Control duly acknowledged and advised him to turn 12 degrees west. He turned to that direction. Everything was going well. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. Then he saw the storm clouds. They looked like black mountains in front of him. He knew he could not fly up and over them. He decided to go back to Paris, but also he wanted to go home. So he took the risk and flew into the storm. He could see nothing outside his aeroplane. Everything was black. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. He looked at the compass. It was gone. He tried to contact Paris Control. He was lost in the storm. Then in the black clouds, he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights on its wings. He could see it flying next to him in the storm. He was glad to see another person. He was signaling to follow him. The author thought he was trying to help him, so he followed him. He flew for half an hour. He had fuel to last for 5 or 10 minutes. He began to feel frightened. Then he started to go down. Suddenly, he was on the runway. He looked for his friend in the black aeroplane. He wanted to thank him, but the sky was empty. He went into the control tower. He asked a woman where he was. She looked at him strangely and then laughed. She told that there was no other aeroplane except that of his own. The author was wonderstruck. He wondered who had helped him to arrive there. He was without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in his tanks. Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? It is a mystery. The story Black Aeroplane teaches us that man should not give up his hopes. We should always try to help ourselves and never lose hope. The narrator believed that someone will help him, and at the end he was helped by the pilot of that strange black aeroplane. We learned that we should take the risk and accept the challenge. The narrator was in a great trouble, but though he took on a risk, God lended a hand to help. Hope you are benefited through this video. If so, like, share and subscribe this channel for further videos. Thank you for watching.